Good morning, Mike here at Sound Investment. Beautiful, beautiful morning here in the spring. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Just finished this girl up right here. Road glide. Nothing real crazy on this motorcycle. He came in with some blown speakers. Someone had already put the SoundStream reserve amplifier in for him, or reserve head unit. We just put some cicada speakers in it. CX is in the front, CXX in the rear. Had a little amplifier underneath the radio in there, and checked out the install to make sure it was good. Put the speakers in. He's ready to roll again. Have a good day.